Today we are reviewing the Mr. Coffee Iced and Hot coffee maker. We're going to be doing the iced version today, maybe the hot version another time. I don't really drink hot coffee. So we're gonna take it out of the box and see what we get. So this is what it looks like. This comes with the coffee machine. It's like all plastic. Comes with a little drip tray. Recipe book if you want to make some recipes. A tumbler. And yeah. So it already has a coffee ground basket. So the coffee goes into this side and then your water goes onto this side. So let's do that. It also comes with a manual. And it says to do like a clean cycle first. So we're gonna do that and then we'll be right back with the coffee. So it's all cleaned out and then you just get the scooper and you're gonna scoop the iced side with your grounds, and this is for the hot side. If you want, you can add like a scoop and a half or 2 scoops. It depends on how hot you or how bold you want your coffee. So I just got some Dunkin' coffee. Fill your tumbler to the water level. This up. It's a little hot. Just from cleaning it out. So then we dump the water on this side. Jesus Christ, that scared me. On that side, put the grounds cup in there, like that. Add that. So you're supposed to fill your ice all the way to the ice line, but I don't have that much ice. So that's just gonna have to work. Now you put your ice under there, and then you just press the over ice button, and then it's going to come out. So the ice does melt a lot, so you can obviously add more, but now we're gonna add creamer and some vanilla, some Dunkin' creamer, some vanilla, we're gonna do a taste test. It's cold. It tastes like coffee. Yes. So I highly recommend this machine. Definitely for the ice part. I only drink iced coffee, but if like my mom or somebody wants a hot coffee, they can obviously make it. But yeah, you can definitely get this at like Target, Walmart, Boscov's, Kohl's. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for future videos and leave a comment below of what you would like to see next. No more spending all that monies. Eh. All right. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.